The product to sum and sum to product formulas are generally kind of easy to work with. So here we have the sine of 3x times the cosine of 4x. And when we have a product of these functions in this order, sine, cosine, we can use this formula. So if I set it up using this formula, it actually becomes kind of easy. And most people don't have a problem with this. Where a is 3x and b is 4x. You just have to substitute them in. So this becomes 1/2 of the sine of their sum, and 3x plus 4x, of course, is 7x, and then the sine of their difference. Now, here's where you can have a little bit of a choice. If it's like sine, sometimes you can take the a and the b and switch them. Same thing for cosine. But because this order is sine, cosine, we cannot switch the order of the 3x and the 4x. So this is going to become negative x. Now you're just going to have to remember what the sine of a negative angle is. I always draw a quick picture. So if this is the angle theta, and this is the coordinate a comma b, remember, and we're on a unit circle here, so we'll make that a 1. Then the first coordinate is cosine of the angle, and the second coordinate is sine of the angle. So if I throw in a negative theta, going backwards, going down, then this coordinate, the cosine stays the same. So cosine of the negative angle is the same thing as cosine of the positive angle. But the sine of the second coordinate is switching. So this thing is going to equal its opposite of the positive angle. So we get down to 1/2 sine of 7x minus sine of x. And that would be one simplification using the product to sum. Alright, in that same group of product to sum, sum to product, this is considered a sum to product, where we have cosine of one angle minus cosine of another angle. So the formula we're going to use here is this one. And it's the ugliest one out of all of them because of this negative sign in front. It's the only one that has it. So here we have cosine of an angle minus cosine of another angle is equal to -2 sine of their average times sine of their difference average. Alright, so we'll just have to plug in numbers and it works out rather well. So this is going to equal -2 sine of the angles added together, well that would be 7x over 2, and the angles subtracted, so that would be 5x minus 2x, which would be 3x over 2. And that's it. That's all you can do with it.